People generally prefer an attractive face over an attractive body when they are looking for a long-term relationship. Comparing yourself to others is the root cause for feelings of unhappiness, self-blame, and depression. Psychologically, it is impossible to be just friend with someone you have fallen in love with. Attempting to convince yourself that you don't care about someone is a clear indicator that you really do actually love his three feelings in one: affection, lust, and attraction. Intelligent people are more likely to avoid conflict, which explains why some people notice everything but choose to say nothing. When women talk to their partners in person, they usually feel loved, whereas men feel emotionally close when they play together or talk to each other. Sometimes the bad things that happen in our lives put us directly on the path to the best things that will ever happen to us. Men tend to fall in love much more quickly than women, contrary to the common misconception that women are more emotional. Our own interests can blind us from seeing the interests of others. For headaches, you need love hormone on average. Your mind wanders 30% of the time. Memory is very closely linked to the smell in love. Your sense of smell is very important. Procrastinators tend to be far more stressed than those who don't have that habit. Foreign, it is harder for people with higher IQs to fall in love. On average, women cry between 30 to 60 times a year, while men cry around 6 times. It is possible for two strangers to fall in love by simply staring at each other. The oddest right. If a person laughs too much, even at stupid things, she is lonely deep inside. When it comes to attracting a crush, your online profile pictures play a crucial role. Your sense of smell is the sense which is best attached to your memory. In terms of first impressions, looks may prevail, but personality typically prevails in the long run. Being nice to someone you dislike doesn't mean you're being fake. It means you're mature enough to tolerate that individual. Kissing can assist you in selecting the ideal partner. The quality of the relationship was correlated with the quantity of kisses exchanged. The desire to squeeze and hug cute things comes from the same place in your brain as aggression.